Hey everyone, I'm Nathan Meyer, the real estate transformer. I'm on the Orlando Home Squad team brokered by eXp Realty, and I'm here at the breathtaking, easygoing, fun, and relaxing Margaritaville Orlando Resort. And I've got an incredible opportunity for you. This 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath cottage home just became available, safely located in its gated community on an end lot, giving you more privacy and more natural light. Come on inside. This cottage home was masterfully designed and upgraded for your enjoyment. Upon entering, you'll immediately feel a sense of calm. After all, everything is clean, fresh, and bright, giving you the peace knowing you're in a beautiful and safe space. Notice the upgraded wood tile flooring throughout the entirety of the home. The kitchen features quartz countertops and upgraded stainless steel appliances. This living room has in-ceiling speakers that connects to the TV or your smartphone. This floor plan has a bathroom very conveniently located by each bedroom. Do you happen to have more in your party that need a place to sleep? This home has a bonus room with a bed and TV, making a 4th bedroom possible. Why only have one master suite when you can have 2? From the tankless water heater to the paved patio out back, this incredible cottage home can be yours. Everything here will transform you into that Caribbean island feel. The amenities in this community are endless, including a huge tropical pool, high-end spa center for relaxation, a fitness center, dog park, playground, restaurants, the food and live entertainment down Sunset Walk, the Island H2O water park. And did I mention that these amenities are all within walking distance? They also have free shuttle services to all the major Orlando theme parks, making it super convenient for you and your guests. Are you looking for an investment property? Maybe you want to call this place your home and live in a stress-free environment. The possibilities are there for your choosing. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to own a piece of paradise, because after all, we all hope to be wasting away again in Margaritaville. Ooh. I'm Nathan Meyer. Thanks for watching. Peace.